Hello and welcome to Win with Wanny. This is part 3 of the video series on how to create passive income. In this video, I'm going to share with you another tool to create a passive income and build great wealth. If you're looking for a vehicle to help you get from point A to point B faster, especially in wealth building, then this is a vehicle I am recommending you take. Today I'm going to talk about investing in real estate such as single family home or multi-family unit. Investing in rental property have many rewards. One of them is getting cash flow month after month, and you only need to do it just one time. When you find the right property and you have the right tenant, then you just sit back and reap the reward. But like everything else, there's always a downside to it. It does require a lot of work and some experience on your part. I'm not saying that it can't be done when you have no experience. I advise that when you start out, you need to have some good people on your team, such as a real estate attorney, a real estate broker, a mortgage broker, property manager, just to name a few. Not every property that you buy will give you cash flow. You need to be smart about the property that you buy. This is where having the right team on your side can help you avoid all that pitfall. Again, please seek out expert advice before diving into this. When you do it correctly, here are some of the benefits when you invest in real estate. Your tenant pay your mortgage for you. The property value appreciate. Cash flow increase as you pay down your loan. You get tax write-off. Talk to your accountant for all of the items that you can write off on your tax. Most of all, it gives you leverage, right? The bank is willing to lend you money to buy real estate investment. That is why real estate investment is such a great vehicle to building wealth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. I'll talk to you next time.